Hi, hi. So Ishan just joined from the other class. Good. Praveen, hi. So Shanti ma'am, I just finished. Are George sir? Hello, George sir. Hello. Shanti ma'am, I just finished one
Yeah.
class. Right. That's
Okay.
why just one
Understood, sir.
minute late. Mohit,
Understand.
hi. So all these kids are coming there from there.
Okay.
So we'll start. Ma'am, Abhay also will join.
Yeah.
Right. Somewhere
Yes.
around 12:15. Hi.
Yeah.
Rahul Bete, it's the same link. Same link. This link is same for all Monday, Wednesday, Friday classes and Sunday. So link is same. Monday, मेनन मंत्रा एक ही लिंक है बेटे. मैं बार बार लिंक जनरेट नहीं करता. I'm very lazy. हेलो जॉर्ज सर को भी हेलो बोल रहा है. सलू मोहम्मद. आए जॉर्ज सर, there's a hello for you. Today is double धमाका. प्रशांत, yes, double धमाका, but जान निकल जा रहा है यार. इधर से उधर भाग रहा है. My wife is shouting at me. Right. Okay, Bab, I think we'll start. We just finished the other class at 11:30.
Okay.
Recorded class, Rahul bete already uploaded मेनन मंत्रास पे. फ्राइडे वाला क्लास आज अपलोड हो जाएगा. कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस क्लास आज अपलोड हो जाएगा. शांति मैम इज वर्किंग एक्सट्रीमली हार्ड. राहुल जी इज हेल्पिंग मी. संदीप जी हो जाएगा आज अपलोड. Okay. So till Wednesday it is uploaded. Friday's class it will get uploaded today, by today. If not by today afternoon, if not by today evening, definitely. And these are people who are serving me selflessly. I don't even know these people. Shanti ma'am se sab mila bhi nahi hai. So we start today's class. Right, ma'am, they have already started thanking you, Saurabh. Saurabh is a
Yeah.
big time exporter also, colleagues, for those who
Okay.
don't know Saurabh. Okay, so we start. Ma'am, yes, as per my clock, it is 11:45 and I start.
So you can start the recording too?
Yes, yes, ma'am, please.
Yeah.
I always forget and you always keep reminding me. Is my voice clear?
Yeah, very much.
Very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
So what are we discussing today? We are discussing personal finance as promised. So we're discussing personal finance as promised. Very interesting. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we did corporate finance, and now we have started off straight with personal finance. A lot of questions. Okay. I just want to see, with your permission, class, if some of my well-wishers are attending. Somebody like Harish, Abhishek. Oh my God. He's a chartered accountant. My God. Great guy. He's there. Amulji, I know. Gani, love him. Annie is a dear, dear. I call her my daughter. Right? She's my daughter. George's daughter. Very good artist. All my FMB students, as I can see. Love you, bete. All FMB students. Some of them I don't know. Bharat Iyer, SIS. Oh, wow. So I can attract students and employees also. Vinod sir, thank you very much, sir. You're always there. Sabko मैं thanks नहीं बोल सकते individually. So I'm saying George sir, of course, is there. Right. Thank you, everybody. I'm just looking for some people, and they're there as expected. Thank you very much. Okay, so if you want to speak, because there are experts here also, KC Sethi sir himself is an expert. Please just, this is your forum, so you should just, Karthik, KC Shetty's son. Anybody wants to speak, just raise your hand. Like Kiran sir is my dear colleague from Fidelity. Absolute amazing IT expert. He wants to speak something, please let me know. Maharshi, all of you all know now, youngest company secretary, brilliant guy, helping clients recover money. Mohit is my kid. All of you all, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm sorry if I'm missing anybody. I always acknowledge everybody. कभी कभी छूट जाता है. Prerit, love you, बच्चे. Rahul, love you. All of you all love you. Right, thank you, thank you. Salu Mohammed, I don't know you, sir, but thank you, welcome. Cheryl is my student from Syscoms. God bless her. So students also I'm able to help through Menon Mantras, because now is the time for jobs. But don't look for jobs. Also think of being entrepreneurs, and there are angel investors to support you. Again and again, I'm saying that. I start today's class. Thank you, Gani. Love you. This is given by Gani. So I love him. He always protects me. So they're starting with a disclaimer. Right, Krishna, इसका spelling गलत है. Last time भी बोला था. ये तेरा I डालना रह जाता है. I apologize to the class. It is CLAIM. I is missing. I apologize. I'm sorry. Right. Yes. So this is a disclaimer. Right. Very important. But I still believe that if somebody wants to take me on, please take me on, because I speak with numbers. So I'm not scared of anybody, and I speak the truth. So you can take me on. But thanks, Gani, for the disclaimer clause. I have no malintention in doing anything. So you please, if you want to challenge anything, please challenge. Openly challenge. Okay, here we go. Right. Ma'am, colleagues will keep adding up, but we'll keep coming. This is the times that we live in. These are the times that we live in. There is this stupid Twitter that I got, which is comparing how markets have reacted to George Floyd's death. Paul Monet, I hope you understand why I say you are blessed with all the values. This is what society has come to. A black man was killed, and these guys are seeing how the markets have reacted to that killing. Where are we as human beings? Huh? So they have said somebody got assassinated, the markets went up by 2.9%. Rodney King got acquitted 1.2%. And George Floyd's death, markets have gone up by 3.4%. How can you even compare two variables? Idiots. How can you even compare a person's death with market? This market has gone up because US unemployment numbers are not as bad as what it was expected. I explained this on Friday. It has got nothing to do with George Floyd's death. At first thing is, it's so discouraging to see such a slide on Twitter. How bad people have become. Why the stock markets went up was very simple. First thing is, stop this. As a joke, I tell all students like that you can do an Excel and compare rainfall in Nigeria and number of childbirths in number of children or number of childbirths in Maharashtra. Statistics you can do COVAR. Excel will give you the answer. But Baba, rainfall in Nigeria and childbirths in Maharashtra, I don't see any connection. If anybody has any connection, please write to me in private basis. There are ladies here, but people can prove statistics. This is a stupid comparison. Markets have gone up because unemployment rate was expected to be 19%. It came out to be 13%. So markets are happy. But 13%, as I said on Friday, itself is a high unemployment number. Lovely, we start. Because I get angry, I keep adding some jokes. I got this through Gunny. I love this. I think all of you all will love this. Right? Those who don't understand Malayalam, don't bother. Okay, even I don't know to read and write, but I loved this. I showed it to my mother. She is overjoyed. So all of you all watch this video. Don't tell me you can't listen to anything. Actually, this is a video where action comes. Okay.
Good morning, students. ഇന്നത്തെ ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ് ആരംഭിക്കുകയാണ്. പാഠം 1 വിദ്യാധനം. വിത്തമെന്തിനും മർത്യനിന്ന് വിദ്യ കൈവശമാകുകിൽ വെണ്ണ വെണ്ണ അയ്യോ എന്റെ പാല് തിളച്ചു തൂറി എന്റെ
So because I get angry, I just add some jokes, but online is going on very well. All of you are seeing my tie, my coat. You don't know what I'm wearing at the pads. Okay, it's a toned jeans. None of you have noticed. For the last 2 months, I've been wearing toned jeans. Here it is, but you don't know. It's the tie that matters, but that's the world today. Okay, sorry ladies, this was nothing. I got this video, so I just thought I would share it with you. My mother loved this video a lot. And nowadays, 74-year-old mother is also taking online classes. I'm so happy. Now only I have to convince my 80-year-old dad. Okay, here we go. Those who feel I keep doing this, yes, I do it. I am very clear. I am because of them, as simple as that. Dr. Shikhar, Dr. Parimal Merchant, consulting clients, respected students, SP Jain, thank you, love you all. Dekho na, abhi udhar class khatam kiya, idhar aa gaya mera Akshay, right? And that's why, because that is why I'm there for them. Paul is not attending today because I said they are having SP Jain classes. So they should not bug classes and come. That recording will be put up on Men and Mantras. So those who are having classes and other things, please don't attend this class. Okay, yes, video will be uploaded. Today's expert faculty will be joining, CA Abhay. My sponsor, my first sponsor, Vismay, fast growing, right? Doing extremely well even in these times. It's not only because of the entrepreneur, it's because of that entrepreneur. Lovely employees. I am on their WhatsApp, lovely planning. They are taking on, and that message that came from the leader himself, not the owner, it came from the CEO, right? He said, you know, we have, our first aim is to survive and let's do it. So my request to all business people, Krishna Rana also has done it. Please send a voice message to all your employees that yes, we'll do it together. Voice makes a big difference. Vismay, love you for 50 plus stores. Now they have decided to recalibrate. They're not expanding their stores. They're looking at per sale profitability and doing well even in these tough times. My first sponsor, I will remain obliged to you all. Those who are wondering how do you sponsor, simple. Contribute to Hunger Collective Movement. Give me the logo. I'll put it here. Simple. I have said that 4 sessions, 10,000 rupees. Even there, if you feel you're tight, you can ask me for this. Vismay has been my life sponsor. They have donated a substantial part, which I can't tell you because George sir has said, don't mention it to you all. He doesn't like me speaking about his charity. Okay. That is how it is. Azim Premji also doesn't like to speak about his charity. I got my second sponsor, Sunanda, and biggest, one of the fastest growing exterior wall paint, doing extremely well by word of mouth, not much of advertisements, doing well, right? And he was very keen that I say this. He said, can you play a video? I said, I will not play. He said, can you play a 2-minute video? I said, I can't play videos. Very simple, because this is a class. I can speak for 30 seconds. Here it is. Sunanda is doing extremely well. Very good exterior thing. They are one of the fastest. And I think he quoted some 8 rupees per square feet. So those who are looking for exterior things, right, please go to Sunanda. Ladies wear Vismay, and I got my third sponsor. Hunger Collective is getting benefited. I told you, you are the product. I'm giving it free of cost. First day पे बोला है, if you get anything free, you are the product. आप लोग product है, आप लोग audience है, मेरे को sponsor मिल गया. आते रहना, बस time देना, right? बाकी मेरे को sponsors मिलेगा. Speedo Communication, Pi Brothers, love them. Very, very good digital solutions. Very, very good digital solutions. Love those kids. They work on the 3S model. Safety, security. Some of my students are talking to them. Their office is in Mumbai, plant is in Palghar. So they are talking. How do you have a beam image? You can talk to Speedo Communications. It is the Pi brothers, 2 brothers, and of course led by the father. Love you all, sir. Namaste. 3 sponsors. Hunger Collective movement is on. I am not getting anything personally except love and affection, and that's enough for me. My day was made by this gentleman, Mayank Kansal. He has reduced his interest rate from 9.4 to 7.6. The name is Mayank Kansal, FMB 12. My purpose is served. If you link your interest rate from MCLR to repo rate, you get 1.8% reduction. I kept saying that at least 1 to 1.5. I'm sure all of you would have realized once Mayank gave me this news, I said, please donate to Hunger Collective. Okay, please donate to Hunger Collective. Now to He Will. Okay, another news which came in at 11 o'clock. Those who are just coming here for Gyan, I keep saying this. This is a session for Calm, not Gyan. Here it is. Let me tell you today's message at 11 o'clock, which has come from this kid. Ratnesh Parekh. I got my interest reduced. Hello, here it is. Those who want proof, here it is. Okay. Those who have been just attending my class, here it is. Okay. And not doing anything. I got my interest rate reduced from 8.55 to 7.3% by connecting it to repo rate. Ratnesh Parekh, right? Thank you a million times will not be sufficient. Oh, sorry. Thanking you a million times will not be sufficient. Also shared the knowledge within my group companies. I am now going to write to him, please donate to Hunger Collective. If you have come here for Gyan, I'll give you Gyan. But if you can make it calm, it will be good for your business. As simple as that. Karo. Yes. I love to start my class on a good note. When everybody here is talking about COVID, very bad. Our man has flattened his debt. And as sir wonderfully says, he still may be eating only 4 chapatis. थोड़ा घी ज़्यादा डालता रहेगा कि मुकेश भाई loves to eat food, he's a foodie. बाकी तो खाना वही खा रहा है, वो सोना नहीं खाता है वो आदमी. Okay, I have benefited. I am a Reliance shareholder. आप लोग को पसंद नहीं आता है, especially ये जो so-called आदमी लोग है ना, so-called, not Dr. Nair. He salute him. A so-called people who are anti-entrepreneurs, right? As sir wonderfully said, he still eats 4 chapatis, वही दाल खाता है. और बंदे ने करके दिखाया. His brother is sunk, and all of us feel happy he is sunk. We always feel happy when somebody else's fails. But I want to start on a good note. कितना डील करके खत्म किया रे? हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कोविड ये वो. Reliance is on action, and this is a dated slide because I'm sure by tomorrow there will be something added to it. And please note, he still retains majority stake. I'm going to do a case study. If you are interested, in the chat you write. We will do a case study on Reliance. Can I go to the chat and see who all are interested? Just say yes. I will get you somebody who is a very senior person. Yes, interested. Bus. Now it is my responsibility. I'll get you a very senior person to come and talk to you all about Reliance. I am also very intrigued. Right? बहुत senior बंदे को लेके आएगा. उतना मैं कर सकता है यार. People उतना मेरा है. फोन उठा के बोलेगा. I will get you a private equity guy. Very senior person from ICICI Securities. मेरा बैचमेट है. मैं ज़्यादा अपने बारे में बात नहीं करता, but वो आएगा. We will talk about it. Can you come for this class? You will enjoy it. I love Mukesh Ambani. I love Mukesh Ambani. He has shown the world that once you decide something, you can do it, whether it is COVID or no. And he has flattened the debt curve because he knows that debt can kill, and debt has killed Anil Ambani. Okay, God bless Mukesh Ambani. We need more such entrepreneurs who take calculated risks. Calculated risks. We are going to have a discussion on Reliance very soon. Love you all. Some bad news for India. Very bad news for India, but I need to show it because we need to understand this. So very important. Why am I doing this? Because I'm concerned. I'm concerned. Where is that slide? That I'm concerned for one reason. So that slide got removed. I'm concerned for one reason because yes, this is a slide. Economy is opening up. Everybody thinks it is safe. Nahi hai bacche safe. Please safe nahi hai. Sorry, slide mismatch ho gaya hai. लॉकडाउन है, सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस लेना. आई एम कंसर्न. मैं खुद घर से बाहर जाता है, राइट, एज फार एज पॉसिबल. माय वाइफ सेज प्लीज डू इट. मैं आप लोग को रिक्वेस्ट करता है प्लीज, राइट. केसेस अभी भी सॉल्व नहीं हुआ है, ओके, केसेस सॉल्व नहीं हुआ है, बट बाहर जाइए, काम कीजिए, राइट, बिकॉज नाउ द गवर्नमेंट कांट कीप अस लॉक्ड इन. वी हैव टू, इकोनॉमी इज what protects the country, so we have to go out but take safety precautions. Now one very nice thing you can ask me is what India achieved by lockdown. We will discuss on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday class because that is economics. What India achieved by lockdown, it will be an interesting discussion. And I'm sorry, I don't think I'll have much to tell you on, but I'll still dig and see something good. But definitely we'll have a good analysis of what India achieved during lockdown. Today's discussion is credit cards. Love you all. So today's personal finance discussion is credit cards. All of you are very, very rich. Some of you are going to get job. You use credit cards left, right, down and center. Please do not use the moratorium on your credit cards. Credit cards, don't read everything. I'm going to explain this. I'm writing this because some of you are taking screenshots because I'm not sharing slides. That's why I'm writing it. But I'm explaining in my own style, okay? Moratorium is a freeze on payments. It doesn't mean it is interest free. It doesn't mean it is interest free. It doesn't mean it is interest free. A credit card will cost you not less than 3% per month. Abhay has joined me. He will show you the calculations. He's a very respected chartered accountant. But please don't take moratorium on your credit cards. Better than that, it is like committing suicide. Better than that, you can take personal loans. Do not rotate your minimum, please, for God's sake. First thing is, do not, I'm feeling very bad saying this. Some of you all don't understand the meaning of moratorium. Moratorium does not mean interest-free loans. It only means freeze on payments. It only means freeze on payments. Don't ignore your bill. Sometimes we say it's just a mistake. It costs deadly cost. So please keep a reminder 2 days in advance to pay. Because for a bank, a good credit card customer is somebody who does not pay the bill on time. For a bank, a good credit card customer is somebody who does not pay the bill on time. Because that is where they get their margins. So please be careful. Some of you all ignore it. Some of you all do the other one. You pay the minimum. Kya kar raha hai yaar? Kya kar rahe ho? You pay the minimum. Do you know how much it costs you? Bullshit. So never do this. First, I repeat again, no moratorium. I'm sure you're making your notes. Second, don't ignore your bill payments. Third, no minimum balance payments. Pay the complete amount. Fourth, actually this should be number 4. As Warren Buffett says, if you have a credit card, there is something which is called as unnecessary spending. And why am I saying this? Because lockdown also brings in what is called as pent-up demand. It also brings in what is called as pent-up demand. You could see that in Kerala, when suddenly after lockdown, there was a pent-up demand for liquor. And I got a lovely WhatsApp where they showed the drunkards, because they're paying so much of taxes, they said they are Bahubali, they are protecting, my son is laughing, they are protecting the Indian economy. Lovely WhatsApp. Because the government is putting tax, and this, drunkards and people who have an occasional drink, I'm sorry, I'm hurting some people here, you are protecting the economy. Okay, why? Because you're paying those taxes. So that, if you want, I'll get that WhatsApp. It was superb WhatsApp. So I think this pent-up demand, you should be careful. please be careful with pent-up demands, because now suddenly you'll open up. Please be careful. That's why, as your senior, I'm saying, don't do revenge spending or pent-up demand. Stay within your budget. Times have not come back to normal. Times have not come back to normal. Again and again, I'm saying this. Yes, when you lose your card or defraud, immediately please remember to write to your bank. Extremely important that you have a replacement card. And why are banks pushing these credit cards to you? Is because of this. It helps you. It helps them push the other loans to you. So you feel that, credit card de diya. Bank ka strategy. I worked in the bank, so let me tell you this. In fact, now I'd like to request Abhay also to introduce himself. Bank, why it gives you a credit card is then they can cross sell other products to you. So it's the easiest to get sometimes, especially with such good credit scores. We will discuss credit scores today, right? But please remember, it is also to sell. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. I'm only saying it is to cross sell other products. Abhay, if you could please introduce yourself, since you have been working with banks, etc. Quickly introduce yourself, Abhay, and then we'll continue.
Yeah.
This is
Good
my
afternoon.
expert for today, a very young chartered accountant. When I say young, it is comparative. I am 50. Anybody lower than me is young. वो वाला logic है. But among all of you all, I am the youngest in terms of energy. Yes, Abhay, start.
Good afternoon, class. Yeah, this is Abhay CA Abhay Nair. I've been in this industry close to around 5 years with investment banking, banking sector, corporate finance. So today I will be taking you through a working whereby how the credit card companies charge you. If you pay the minimum amount, how it is harmful to you.
Abhay will come in at a later stage.
Yeah.
I've requested him specifically to show an Excel, because all of you love Excels, right? Here I had two requests. One request is from some respected seniors, don't show Excel working. But I always respect my seniors. But I got parallel requests from juniors and employees, show Excel workings. So respected seniors, for once, I will not listen to you, because these youngsters want to see the Excel working, right? So I will invest 5 to 10 minutes. Abhay will show it at a later stage, and then I will convert it into a slide. And I'm sure the senior who told me this also is now enjoying Excel by getting it done from his people. About 2 minutes at a later stage. I have not.
Yeah.
The crime that you will have is that not using your reward points. So if you have still taken, a credit card, I think it's extremely critical for you to use your reward points. I'm sure somebody like Abhishek will be doing that. Very, very fantastic guy, systematic. But most of us are not doing it. Even I am not doing it because I'm not systematic. My wife is better. So somebody in your family, that's why I said, all my personal finance classes, as far as possible, sit with family. Somebody in your family will be systematic. They will remind you, hey, please use the reward points. Otherwise, what is the fun of using a credit card? You let it lapse, okay? As I said, my wife does a better job. Please don't let the reward points expire. Use it to your benefit. So what all we said very quickly before I show you the calculations. No moratorium. Love you all. No moratorium. Take pictures. I have no problem. Don't ignore your bill. Don't do pent-up demand revenge spending. Please, for God's sake. Don't pay the minimum. If you have lost your bank or you're defrauded, inform the bank. This most of you all know, and this RBI has done a great job. Please inform the bank immediately. Use your reward points. Use your reward points. Okay, not using is a crime. Not using is a crime. Yes, and banks are cross-selling. And this is where I invite this young man. So I'm going to do two things. I'm going to show the Excel working for the youngsters. And for the seniors, I will show the slides. Because for me, both are important. Over to you, CA Abhay. It's your call now. I will, with your permission, I will stop screen share.
Yeah.
Then only you can.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Stop mine. Amazing response even today on a Sunday. Amazing response. Thank you very much.
Hope you can see, sir, the screen.
So for those who love Excel, here it is. Mantras is again showing you Excel. I'm so happy. I'm getting feedbacks from students. This is for you. Bache, this is our thing for you. Thank you. Abhishek says, yes, he can see your screen. So go ahead, Abhay.
Yeah, thanks. So we will start with the basic assumptions whereby like how the credit card company works. So we will work on an assumption like that they charge you an interest rate of 3%. And please note on the screen, it is bold, italic, it's per month. And we will be working on a minimum due, that is on paying the credit card bill back or at a rate of 5%, that you will be paying the credit card company the minimum due at a rate of 5%. And we are assuming a average purchase of 50,000 per month. So let's come to scenario one, whereby we will be paying a minimum, only the minimum amount, that is the 5% of the dues. So if we start in the month of Jan, we have made a purchase of 50,000. We have made a by the end of Jan, we are paying them 5%, that is 2,500 of the minimum due. And in the second month, the interest rate kicks in. So it is calculating the interest on your new purchase as well, plus your opening balance. So close to around you're paying 3,000 rupees on this till February. So if you see the calculation entirely till the month of June, you will be paying an interest of close to around 28,690. So same calculation if we come to whereby we will be paying the entire amount within a month. Like when the due date comes in, we will be paying the whole amount. If you see, you're paying only the purchase price, no interest, no penalty, nothing. Here we are not included the penalty. If we include the penalty, you can assume what is the cost that we will be incurring.
Excuse me. As CA Abhay is saying, once you include the penalty, you will get scared. So we had a discussion. He said, don't show the penalty itself. Okay. By the way, this calculation is shown to you because the person who is speaking to you had to pay 7,500 rupees because he missed his credit card payment. There was no enough balance. That's why these calculations we are showing it. If you still want to do something, please talk to your chartered accountants like CA Abhishek and all Seren, and then add the penalty. You can see what happens. Abhay, very good. You didn't put penalty. Otherwise, they would have got even more scared.
Yeah. Thank you. Can I stop now?
Yes, please. Go.
Okay. Thank you.
The entire idea of showing you that side, can you again quickly show them the working once again? No, I have a lot of concern for students like Annie and others. Just show them how Excel works. And for seniors, I will show them the slide. Yeah. And I'm sure the seniors won't mind 5 minutes being taken for youngsters. It's our duty for them. Show the Excel sheet again, please. Pillai sir, absolutely right. You have to pay GST also. Sir, superb comment. Superb comment, Shachindran Pillai sir. Monay, please move the cursor on every slide. 2 minutes, do it. Because a lot of them are not familiar with, it's our social responsibility for students. Yeah. So this is called as if command. It is called as if command. I'm going to spend 2 minutes, right? I'm sorry. If command is, if this, then what? If this is true, then what you have to do? It's called as if condition. And those who want to learn Excel, please refer to a book known as Excel Bible. Please refer to a book known as Excel Bible. And spread the knowledge. Those who know Excel, teach na others. 10 minutes लगते हैं Excel का if सिखाने को, VLOOKUP सिखाने को, pivot सिखाने को. Teach people, no, right? So this is the if command. Right, very, very useful command. Yes, one more slide, please show them. I want to explain 2 or 3 commands for my lovely students who are looking for jobs. But when you put a dollar sign, it means that cell is constant. One more cell, Mone, one more cell. Excel Bible is the name of the book. Okay.
So the same working in the second sheet, if it doesn't show anything, because you have paid on time.
So long story short, you end up paying significantly higher. Thank you, Abhay, Mone, thank you very much. You end up paying significantly higher. And how much is the penalty is Abhishek's question, which is where I opened the slides. Abhay, Mone, thank you very much for coming and investing your precious time and showing Excel. I could have done it myself, but I wanted Abhay to do it because, right, he's done. Thanks, Abhishek, and thanks, Gani, as always, helping people. Please see in the chat, they are giving you references where you can learn Excel for free. Okay, YouTube has a wonderful source, but then you'll have to take time out from Netflix and Hotstar. And take time out from that, you can possibly watch that. So let's start the discussion now. And Mona, you'll have to stop sharing now.
Yeah.
I will
Thanks a
share
lot, sir.
screen.
Thanks a lot for the lovely introduction and the opportunity given. Thanks all
Hey, you
students.
deserve this and
Yeah,
more.
thank you.
Okay. Krishna, please come here. So here is a slide. So the entire thing is summarized in a slide. Shashidharan Pillai sir, I love you. There is additional GST also. So what was that Excel that we showed? When there is a default in payment and the next purchase, from that date, there will be additional interest that is charged. Banks, once they get you under their grip, now they will kill you. So you can see this. Till the time, if you pay a minimum balance, all that remaining from the date of purchase will attract interest. And next month you go and purchase again. Moment you do that purchase, you don't enjoy credit-free period. A beauty of a credit card is if you enjoy credit-free period and you pay on time. If you don't pay on time, all these problems come. Respected seniors, this is a slide that you're looking for. So please understand how much costly penalty. Are abhi, penalty can go as high as 6%. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना बेटे, एक 30,000 का पेमेंट छूट गया मेरा, 7,000 का पेनल्टी पे करना पड़ा. क्यों? छूट गया मेरा. I was busy in some activities which many of you all know, and I got stuck in that construction thing. ये minimum balance छूट गया, खटाक 7,000. At plus, Pillai sir, thank you very much. उसके ऊपर GST अलग. हाँ. Now, if you ever encounter this problem, please remember once in a year, right? And this is recorded. Once in a year, bank will excuse you. So you can write to the bank saying that, right, sorry, I made this mistake. Can you reverse the charges? Once in a year, they will allow you. Okay, don't quote me outside, but you quote me outside, but don't use it to defraud the bank. So the banking rule is once in a year, let us allow this, but please be noted, it will be recorded in your credit history. It will be recorded in your credit history. So in my case, they charged me 7,000 and I was lucky. I wrote back to them saying, I'm holding this SBI card. I'm from SBI Capital Markets, right? I served you all and I've been there holding this card from bloody late 90s. Can you please pardon me? And they pardoned me. But the fact of the matter is, if you play on minimum or you miss the bill payment, you are finished. You will pay interest on interest and then you will end up paying penalty also and GST also, as sir said. This is the slide that you wanted. Excel was shown by my young man. We will now continue. Students, please learn Excel. It's very, very useful. Never, ever use your credit card to withdraw money from an ATM. I made my son sit here because he should learn all this. This is financial literacy at its best. Never, ever withdraw money from an ATM using your credit card. You will be finished. Okay, it looks like it is easy money. It will attract very huge interest. I keep saying this, 3% per month. And please remember, compounding, when it works in your favor, it is good. If it works against you, you are finished. Okay. And I would say that if you still want to do this, you are stuck in a debt cycle. Kiranji is there from Fidelity. I remember he had asked me this long time back for his colleagues. If you are stuck in this credit cycle, please take a personal loan and repay that credit card dues. Acha, one more thing, some of you all, sorry, can I use this word? Some of you rascals use this word for me, my students. Sir, क्या करेगा बैंक? क्या करेगा बैंक? We will not pay. अच्छा बेटे, वो ज़माना चला गया. 90s पे वो strategy चला सकता था. You take a card from Citibank, you don't pay them. Then you go to HSBC, take another card, you don't pay them. Then you go to SBI, you don't pay them. Those days you could do all that. Now you can't do that. A credit card is an unsecured loan from the bank. I agree. So if you don't pay them, they can't do anything. They will threaten you. Legally, they can't do anything. Right? So there is a Supreme Court verdict where ICICI Bank was threatening its customers, saying pay up, and they sent recovery agents. Supreme Court said, no, you can't threaten customers. It's an unsecured loan. But bete, please be careful. Now, if you do it, it will be recorded in CIBIL. Your credit score gets affected. So 90s pe na, when I was interacting with you all those FMB students, FMB 1, 2, 3, right? Those days it made sense. If you default here, we can take another card. Today, don't even try to do it. India has got what is called as Credit Information Bureau India Limited. It is a credit score. As Gani would tell you, it is same as FICO score in United States. India has taken this good thing from United States. So we have a database. Any default will go there. Even I have a default in my in the name of ABN AMRO. Why was this default in my name of 8,000 rupees? Because as all you know, I'm very emotionally very poor person. There was an idiot who came coming to me every now and then saying, take this ABN AMRO card, take this ABN AMRO card. I said, forget it, yeah, don't harass me. He said, nay, sir, if you take this, my targets will be fulfilled. And as an idiot, I said, okay, I'll take it, but you're sure now? There will be no joining fee. He said, yes, sir, no joining fee, nothing, I promise. And as an idiot, I did read the fine print. So today I've been saying this in all my personal finance class, read the fine print. I have learned from experiences and I wanted that man to fulfill his targets. I said, I'm helping his family. What am I losing? Nothing. Just by taking a card. I'm a big believer in SBI card. So I took a ABN AMRO card. Now this guy met his targets. Next bill, they added joining fee and sent it to me. I said, boss, there was no joining fee. But I was stupid. I ignored that bill. Next month, joining fee plus interest plus penalty. Then I write to them, see what is happening. I was promised that there is no joining fee. They came back saying that's terms and conditions. I didn't pay up that money. I said, this is fraud. So that finally I wrote to them saying, boss, you harass me like this. I'll take you to the court. Those days there was no banking ombudsman. You kids are lucky. There is banking ombudsman. They stopped sending the bills. But that 3,000 rupees is in my credit score even today. So when Anil goes and applies for a housing loan, that State Bank of Mysore those days, this happened to me. He looked at my credit score and said, was there any problem with your ABN AMRO? I said, how do you know? He said, it is there on your credit score. I said, yeah, this happened. He said, don't worry. 3,000 rupees is a small amount, but we were checking your track record. So be very careful. You don't pay the credit card, guys, no problem, but it will go on your credit score. Your credit score gets affected. Calculations done. Menon Mantra straight. Love you all. This is where you're coming here for. Do not opt for moratorium. It will kill you. Don't ignore your bill. Don't do pent-up purchases. I've been saying this. Don't do pent-up purchases. I also said something which is very, very important. Do not pay minimum and rollover. If you're in such a debt trap, please take a personal loan. Repay that. Personal loans are cheaper. Personal loans are cheaper. I now go to credit scores. And some very important questions. I spoke on credit scores. I would like to speak on credit scores. So first part was credit cards. I'll take a pause here. I would love to take some questions and then go to credit scores. Or what do we do? Yeah, we'll take some questions. This is a new topic. Shanti ma'am, any questions on credit cards? You could just get it go. No questions on credit score, please. Only questions on credit cards. Credit score is coming up now. Shanti ma'am, anybody please see? Any of my kids want any questions on credit cards?
I'm just checking, sir. In our question answer session, there is a question regarding payment for credit cards. I hope you can read that.
Where is that, ma'am?
In the
Question
question
and
answer
answer,
session,
okay.
Q&A. Yeah.
No, ma'am. This boy is not a question. He's my friend, Damodar Industries. He's giving something for the class.
Yeah. It's
What he's saying,
okay. It's a suggestion.
Excuse me, class. This is Abhishek Biani. I am proud to be his teacher. He's giving something to all of you all. He's saying there is a new app. This is how you come and share knowledge. Yeah, please do it. All these sponsors, all of you all, please share knowledge. Help the youngsters. Help each other. This is challenging times. Thank you, Abhi. There is a new app called Cred to do payments for credit cards. I tried to do it. It takes payment directly from your bank. How do you rate this kind of new age app? My answer to this is this is pretty good. This app is pretty good. I've used it personally. So I'm taking this not as a question, but as an noting. Cred is pretty good. Only thing is, when you do this direct thing, you may not be in a position to check. So I personally believe you should always be able to check where you're spending the money. So you can use this Cred for, as Harish sir says, I love him. Harish sir says use Quora for stock market investing or Zerodha. But all this new age app, you should know where you're spending. So paisa aata hai, paisa jata hai, right? And most of us, it is not sweat equity, it is blood equity. FMB students, thoda dose de rahe aapko. Blood equity is, money has come from the family. Sweat equity is khud se khada kiya hai. So if it is sweat equity, you should know where your money is coming and going. If it is blood equity, your father will try to look at where your money, where you're spending, as simple as that. Anonymous, I will not answer anonymous questions. I don't like it at all, right? I don't like this anonymous. My name is Dr. Anil R. Menon, and I prefer all of you all in Menon Mantras to talk to me like that. Why are you being anonymous? Srinivas, yes, Srinivas, my colleague who works in a financial services industry, My advice is simple. One credit card is enough, or maybe two. Better to use debit cards. Better to use debit cards. It is much better. At least it will control your spend. Srinivas is a very dear colleague. Okay, he's prompting me to answer this question so that it helps youngsters. Okay, so Srinivas, thank you. I think personally debit card is better because especially if you are not very careful with your spending, like somebody here, right? So this is the problem, right? If you are very careful with your spending, credit card is very good because you get reward points, you get free credit period. Okay, for a change, I will answer this anonymous attendee. Next time, please don't do it. I don't like it. This is my family. I'm not using anything, so you cancel. I think, bache, you can keep it. I don't know, bache or sir, whoever it is, right, or ma'am. You can keep it, especially if there is no joining fee. If there is no joining fee and recurring annual fee. If there is a recurring annual fee, then please, right? If there is a recurring annual fee, then better you should not be having multiple cards. You should not be having multiple cards. Okay, next time, please mention your names. Anybody else? Any questions before I go to credit score?
Yeah, some of the attendees have raised their hands. I'm unmuting Mr. Ankut Shah.
Hey, wait. Raghu, answer to your question. The question that he's asking is XYZ Bank, new generation bank, as George sir wants me to say. As genuine, sir, I have not mentioned the name here. Huh? He has said ICICI. I have said new generation bank. Okay, he's my best well-wisher, George sir. So he says don't use bank's name, say new generation bank. So, but sir, here Raghu has used ICICI bank's name. So they have genuinely defaulted and they sue them, yeah. Take them to banking ombudsman. Simple. Take them to banking ombudsman. Raghu referred to my earlier video on banking ombudsman. That is where you go across. Remembering pins of different cards is a headache. Please show some mantra. I'll have to think about this, Prashant Doshi. You're using me like Google. Thoda time dijiye bete, soch ke batata hu. Should current account credit card be used? Prenet answer is yes. Super. Absolute yes, Prenet. Because that gives you, love you, bache. You are a true FMBI. Prashant, you'll have to give me some time to come out with an answer. I'll have to talk to somebody like Suresh ji for this, right? But Prenet, I love you. Perfect answer. Can you use a credit-free period with your current account debit, current account credit cards? Answer is yes. Prenet, I'm removing that question mark and I'm appreciating what you said. Yes. Super, bache, super. Credit-free period for business. And it's always good to do business with OPM, other people's money. Always good to do business with other people's money. Remember this, okay? Yes, ma'am. Now I take that question. I love you, Prerit. Love you. Chalo, madam, quickly.
Yeah, I have unmuted Mr. Kishore Shah. He can speak now.
Boliye ji.
I don't know whether he's listening.
No
He
problem,
just
ma'am.
raised
Next
his hand.
person. If not,
Yeah, Mr. Thakur Yash.
बोल रहे यश जल्दी जल्दी बोल सर बोलिए ना जल्दी
I don't know whether they
no
they
problem,
want.
happens. Anyway, I'm looking at the chat also.
Yeah, sure.
And by the way, class, the youngest company secretary of India has joined the class today, CS Maharshi. Anybody having any problem in recovering, please talk to him. I just conducted a session for Simarpreet at 10 o'clock and he was there. So anybody, I know this is a personal finance class. Dr. Vinod, any of your clients have problems in recovering money from customers? Please connect to me. I will connect you to Maharshi ji. He's doing a great job here. Yep. I just finished that class there and I just realized he's a part of the attendees. Ma'am, anybody else before I start credit score?
Yes, sir. I have a question. As a, yeah.
Go ahead.
And I feel I'm attending your class as a host, but I am a victim of this. I should name it. It's HDFC Bank, which I'm using. Actually, I wanted to pre-close my card, and when I called on the customer care, they are saying that a moratorium on that. I said I never applied for a moratorium. I cancelled it, and then they say canceling the moratorium, you cannot what we say, close your card, complete card. So
The
I'm
solution to you,
totally
ma'am, is
pay amount of around 8. Sorry.
No, you were saying something about the amount. I was just hearing that.
Yeah, the amount is around like 1.6 lakhs. I wanted to pre-close and they're not allowing me. They say that you have taken a moratorium, which is not at all in my awareness. I have not taken that. I have not applied for it. I cancelled it anyways. And now they are saying that you have applied for it. Wait for 5 to 6
So
working
class,
days. A
I will
bank
take
official
over
will
now.
call you back.
There is a RBI guideline which says that banks can give moratorium if the customers don't ask for it. I don't know in what wisdom, I'm very upset. I don't know in what wisdom this guideline has been passed. My request to all of you all, please ensure that if you have money, you don't take moratorium. Second, if the bank is acting smart, I repeat for the nth time, please go to Banking Ombudsman. For Shanti ma'am, who is helping me with this course, ma'am, Banking Ombudsman is there on RBI's website. Please click
Yeah.
on RBI's website, Kerala Banking Ombudsman, and I promise that Banking Ombudsman will be in Cochin, but you don't need to go and beat them. You have to just send a mail complaining about this new generation bank. And it's so unfortunate, even for a salaried person, such a big amount. Why salaried person? For anybody, this is a big amount. Right, ma'am, please do it, because one more thing that is going to happen now, if you don't do it, your credit score will get affected. So what is credit score? My next topic for today. Credit score is CIBIL score. Love you all. Right? Credit score is CIBIL score. This is just for you all, bache. So it records your track record. It records your track record. As Krishna Rada kept telling me, sir, iske upar ek class lena. And I go by feedback of my class. Right? Please note, first thing is the income does not affect your credit score. What income affects is, lovely slide now, you're enjoying it. It affects your eligibility. But your credit score has got nothing to do with your income. Credit score is your history. Now, some of you all believe that if you don't take a loan, that means good credit score. I'm sorry to say, that means you don't have a credit history. It's like saying, I have not committed any crime, so I'm a good citizen. Yeah, your record is clean, but it doesn't mean that you're a good citizen. So it just means that some of you all believe that loan ne liya to credit score. I said, yeah, but galat soch rahe, right? Please understand that. Some of you all believe if you take multiple loans, it will have a lower credit score. This is 50-50. Yes, if you keep applying for multiple loans, definitely it shows that you are in need of money. That means you are not a good money manager. So that will affect your credit score, but it will not affect it drastically. But yes, it does affect. So if you have people coming in, love you for this. If you have people coming and going on applying and going on applying for loan, that means you are not in whether it is a business card loan or a credit card loan, right? It will affect your credit score. And by the way, one sec. Some of you all have given your credit cards to your employees. In one of the cases, a very nice employee, and the boy is my boy, I realized that the card that he had given to the employee had a limit which was around 2.5 lakhs. I'm not taking any names. So if you're giving something to your employee, and they're all good, everybody is good, give them cards where the limit is lower. So even if there is a fraud, the loss is limited. Okay. So please remember, I'm not trying to say anything wrong against anybody, but this boy himself said, "Arey sir, usko ye," and somebody asked for the credit card details for Zoom, and this poor lady, she gave this number, and that limit there was 2.5 lakhs, and the boy got wild. And the boy got wild. He said, "Arey, this 2.5 lakhs ka limit hai. I would have given you a card, only card details. You should have taken this. Limit is only 25,000. So be very careful." Suresh ji himself says that he does not put his bank details because anything can happen anytime. Multiple credit cards means better credit scores. I'm sorry. That means actually you are in need of money every time. So you should be careful. You should be careful. So these are the myths. Income does not affect your credit score. No loan only means that you will not have a track record. It doesn't mean you have a good track. You have got a good credit score. Love you all. Multiple loans will affect because it shows that you are credit hungry. You are credit hungry, right? And especially if that track record shows, hey, Bajaj applied, rejected, HDFC applied, rejected. That comes on your track record, okay? Next important thing. I hope these sessions are helping you all. I can see everybody gaining from this. Thank you very much. Right? Please note, if you foreclose, that will again report. So if you are settling anything, that will report. So your credit score will report that, yes, Mr. Menon settled this with ABN AMRO at 3,000 rupees. It was settled. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about myself. So that will reflect. So please remember, right? Extremely important that some of you all think that if you don't repay that it will not reflect. It will reflect. It will definitely reflect. This is a myth, right? And please understand, as ma'am very wonderfully said, I didn't know this. Shanti ma'am said that. Please, RBI said this, but you should not take moratorium. So again, I repeat, multiple loans affects credit score. Very high income does not mean very high credit score. Very important, do not take moratorium. So these are the most important. CIBIL number is between 700. If you're somewhere around 700 plus, it is a good score. It goes from 300 to 900. If you're less than 700, banks, I have worked in the industry, banks are slightly cagey. Nowadays, 650 is also what is okay, but keep it beyond above 700, because once you're above 700, you can negotiate for interest rates. US, that is why credit score is important. They use it for negotiating. They are called as prime borrowers. Okay, India housing loan has not come, but personal loans, people use it to negotiate. Yes, I have a lot of Malayalis here who are interested in gold. So I would request all of them, if you are interested in gold, there is a sovereign gold bond scheme that is coming up. Very soon it is coming up. In fact, started, right? You can apply for it. If you believe in the power of gold and you are using it for investment, please apply for sovereign gold bond. You will get the returns on gold. You will get the returns on gold plus you will get 2.5%. All of you all said, kabhi aayega, aa gaya. So you can use this immediately, right? If not, if you miss it this time, there will be one more in July also. But I think now that has come, please apply for it. I believe gold will go up because there is stress in the economy. Gold does go up. I'm not asking you to invest. If you have decided to invest, don't buy physical gold, buy sovereign gold. Okay, some more slides, but yep. So this is where I thought, some of you are feeling hurt that I'm pointing out mistakes. That's my job as a teacher. Right? So I'm pointing out mistakes so that you can correct your mistakes. You have rolled over minimum balances. See, I have also taken 50 minutes of my life to talk to you all about this. If you roll your minimum balances, you are in a debt trap. Today, we explained to you how much does it cost. We explained to you that once not only interest of 3% per annum, there will be a penalty additional of 5% of the outstanding amount, which gets cumulated. Plus, as the senior mentioned, there is GST also. So please don't feel bad. I have pointed out mistakes. This is for correction. Thank you, my sponsors, for helping me reach out to these people. Right? I have already shown this lady. The more I see this picture, the more I get inspired. Thank you again, all of you all. Please donate. This is my contact details. You can definitely write to me after this if you feel. So today I covered something which nobody was talking about, credit cards and credit scores. Right? I would love to take some questions at this stage. Shanti ma'am, over to you. Any questions, please? We still have 5 minutes more.
Yeah, I have Mr. Satish Kumar who wanted to talk. I'm just unmuting him.
Yep.
Mr. Satish, you can start talking.
5 more minutes, class. I'll take some questions.
Hello.
Satish ji, boliye. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Satish.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Sir, what you said is right, because I was having a very bad experience. It's ICICI Bank, because I taken settlement. It's almost 10 years before, but after some 5 years, I applied a personal loan. Then they are saying that the credit score is bad because of ICICI put the balance in outstanding.
So all banks, thank you Satishji for coming and sparing this experience for youngsters. All banks, including new generation banks, nationalized banks, will show it as settled accounts, and that definitely hurts your credit score.
Yeah.
Right. And my request to all of you all, those who missed my, thank you Satishji, thank you very much. Those who missed my first class, flat interest rate into 2 is reducing rate. So if you take a personal loan, they give it to you at 11%. And at 11% is flat rate. So that means you're paying 22%. Please remember, if you have missed that class, please see my YouTube video. First day itself, I explained this. Flat rate into 2 is reducing rate. Thank you, Satishji, for sharing your experience.
Yeah, and the beauty is, see, when they given settlement, it was 32,000. They asked me to pay some 16, 18,000 somewhere. I paid immediately. I closed the card. I think I hope that, I was thinking that, oh, the account is closed, but it was not closed. They put the balance in outstanding. So now it is, now they are asking after every deduction, 32,000 again. then they will make it as a zero balance account. Then they will clear the account. That's what their demand now. So it's
Satishji, one sec. So whenever somebody speaks, so if your credit score is affected, you cannot write to CIBIL and change your credit score. CIBIL is a reporting authority. So please note, thank you Satishji. Class, please note, CIBIL is a reporting authority. You will have to write to that bank or institution which has reported to CIBIL. So in this case, the new generation bank, you have to write saying, boss, why are you screwing my happiness? My CIBIL score is affected. So then that bank will have to tell CIBIL to rectify that. So please remember, and you can pay a nominal sum and get your CIBIL score. Even better, go to your bank and just ask them. Every bank can give you free access to CIBIL score, or you pay 300 rupees, you get CIBIL score. All good colleagues here, use your CIBIL score to negotiate on loans. If at all you take loans, please use your CIBIL score to negotiate on loans. Thank you, sir.
no, it is already there. It is in the, there is a company, they are providing every month our CIBIL score. So I am getting that message every month that my CIBIL score improved, but still it is some 500 somewhere. It's not going up because of this outstanding.
Sir, you are so thankful to you, sir. Thank you very much. You are sharing all your personal details. 300 to 900, anything above 700 is good. Anything less than 700 is a problem. Ma'am, Shanti ma'am, any other questions, please?
Yeah, Mr. Abhishek.
Thank you, Satish sir.
Thank you.
अभिषेक जी, अरे ये तो मेरा बच्चा है. अभिषेक जी बोलिए, he is a chartered accountant, very qualified. He is very good in financial modeling and belongs to, he's an intrapreneur, George sir's team. Bolo, Abhishek ji, unmute yourself, sir. Always a pleasure listening to your voice. One of the most systematic guys I've met. Sirji, I know you're looking at me, but you have to unmute to speak.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, you're audible. So,
Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Yeah. Sir, I had a couple of queries. One is relating to a repo rate, wherein we can lower our interest rate to a repo rate plus their spread. So I actually checked for one of my corporate loans as well as my personal finance. I checked with them. They were saying that anything lower to 8%, they are not they're not aware of these kind of regulations that we can pay loans for repo rate.
Abhishek,
Yeah, sir.
wait. You need to give me half the question. I'll get the complete sense. You call me finance guru, not for anything.
Yes, sir. Yes,
so I can anticipate the question. So the answer to this question, son, is please go to my Insta page, right? And you can take the format of converting your MCLR rate to repo rate. That's one, Monet. Okay, second thing is my students have got loans at 7.3, 7.4%. So this 8% stuff is nonsense. Even now, I told you that I showed you the kids' name. Many of my kids have got loans less than 8%, right? So will banks give you less than 8%? Monet, the answer is completely yes. Absolutely yes, right? So you'll have to follow up with the bank. And even better, please go to I'm sure you're not talking for Novelty because Novelty is a zero debt company. So you're talking of some other corporate, ask them to go to a competing bank. Ask them to go to a competing bank. And class, I have great pleasure in telling you, Abhishek and Mr. Sijoy and Serin and Mr. Paul, they belong to Novelty Group, which has taken a loan on FDs. Suno sab log. Which has taken a loan on FDs at 0.25% above the FD rate. It's one of the best ever in the country. Normally, banks charge you 1% more than the FD rate. Many students were able to achieve it at 0.5%. So the bank gives you 5% or 6% or 7% on your deposit, right? Bank will charge you 8% on the loan. Loan against FDs. Loan against FDs. My earlier record was 0.5%. I think it was, if I'm not wrong, right, it was a dear student from FMB. So he got it at 0.5% above the FD interest rate. And this lovely group has negotiated with a bank, we will not name the bank, and got it at 0.25% above the FD rate. So everything is subject to negotiations. Everything is subject to negotiations. It struck me, I'm sorry I spoke out of context because it struck me when dear Abhishek came online, but whatever I speak is useful. So anybody who has taken loan against FDs, please remember, you have to pay only 0.25% above the FD interest rate. Yes, Abhishek, you had a couple of questions. Can I take the second question, son?
Yeah, sir, it's actually not a question. I just want to share with you one thing.
Class, this is for you.
Yes, sir. I also have an HDFC Bank credit card. Just like one madam had informed earlier that she wanted to foreclose her credit card loan. I was actually able to close my foreclose my loan, but thankfully I was my card was not automatically converted into moratorium, so I was able to close it. So I think you can approach your bank and close it, I think, because when I approached the customer care, they asked me to contact the relationship manager. So when I contacted my relationship manager, I was able to close my loans, credit card loans. I took an Insta loan. I was able to close that. This was during the April period. So I think you can contact your relationship manager for that. I also have an HDFC Bank credit card. Just wanted to inform you this.
Thank you so much.
Abhishek
Thank
Munai,
you so much.
Yes, sir.
both of you are from Cochin. Please help ma'am personally if you can. Okay.
But
Sure, sir.
my main problem is my account is in Chennai, so that was
Okay.
the account, and
Ma'am,
they
Shanti
are
ma'am,
asking me to
Shanti
come
ma'am,
there. Yeah, tell me, sir.
we will stop the discussion here. Chennai
Sure.
is part of India. Write to me. I'll have students in Chennai who can help you. But
Sure.
if it is Cochin, Abhishek would have helped you. Now Abhishek
Okay.
can't. Anil Menon will. Next question,
Okay.
please.
I'm unmuting Mr. Rahul.
Abhishek, thank you for your lovely observation.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
Hello, can you
हाँ
hear me,
राहुल
sir?
बोल रहे जल्दी मेरा बच्चा है तू जल्दी बोल
So, this is a. I just want to know whether this is a myth. If does the frequency of checking CIBIL scores online by the individual itself affects the CIBIL score of the person? If I
मेरे
keep
को
on
एक बात
checking my
बता राहुल
हाँ
तूने 10th स्टैंडर्ड पास किया तू 10th स्टैंडर्ड का लेट्स से यू स्कोर्ड वेरी गुड अच्छा चलो मेरा एक केस लो आई स्टूड फर्स्ट इन एन एग्जाम इन महाराष्ट्र मैं every day when I feel low I go and look at that certificate I stood first does that change my ranking
no
no तो आंसर इज नो फॉर यू आल्सो ये सब झूठ बोलते हैं बेटे आप लोग को ओके तो कुछ नहीं होता you can look at it any number of times but loan apply करेगा ना बेटे then the problem starts and especially when the loan is rejected तो answer
you,
your
sir.
question बच्चे anytime बच्चे तू तो मेरा बच्चा है anytime right you can go and keep looking at your CIBIL score and if it is above 800 keep looking at it show it to your wife show it to your kids show it to your neighbors notice
Sir, one more question, sir. Sir, one more question. Quick question, sir.
तू पैसा वसूल कर रहा है अभी हाँ जल्दी बोल
Any means by which we can increase our CIBIL score? मतलब if we
नेक्स्ट क्लास अभी नहीं उसके लिए
fine,
15 मिनट का क्लास लगेगा बताता हूँ
thank you, sir.
anybody else
Yeah, now I'm unmuting our Anbugani.
class those who have no questions can please leave for lunch I will wait till the last question is answered thank you for attending 1 hour classes we meet on Monday inflation interest rates joined by an expert Are Gani those who want to have lunch thank you very much please leave
Sir.
Gani follow yaar
Good afternoon, sir. This is only information I wanted to share since it's about credit cards. Anyone who has taken a balance transfer on credit card, they should probably not use it for purchases. Because balance transfer is normally at 1%, 2% lower rate than purchase rate. And whenever you make a payment, the payment goes towards the lower interest rate amount. And your purchase will keep accruing high interest rate till the time you pay off the balance. So they will be in higher debt in spite of doing a balance transfer. Just information.
Gani is a dear colleague from California. We were together in Mumbai. I still remember him for that deep voice and his social connect. He just came here to warn you all. If you have done a transfer, love you, Gani bete. If you have done a transfer, be careful. Don't do additional purchases. Thank you very, very much, Gani. Thank you. Anybody else, please?
Yeah, Mr. Rohan. Mr. Rohan, you can speak now.
Gani, your voice is even more powerful than 2007 now. You are with age, your voice is becoming better and better. Amitabh Bachchan. Hey, Rohan, बोल रहे रुका है हम लोग आपके लिए. Ma'am, next person, please.
Mr. Abhishek. Hello, Mr. Abhishek.
Yeah, hi, I can hear you.
Yes, this is Abhishek Biyani, Damodar Industries. बोल रहे.
Sir, two questions. Credit limit should be high or low? I mean, on any card or on a personal use?
As low as possible so that you don't need to spend. But somebody like you can have it high. Somebody like me, it should be low because I have this habit of going on spending. So for me, it should be low. For somebody like you who is very disciplined, you can take a high limit because you can use it during emergency period, but pay the bill on time. Pay the bill on time. George sir knows why I'm saying this repeatedly. So we know a case where somebody has a credit card and that gentleman was rotating it on minimum balance. I will not like to name him. Aapke liye beta, you can take a high limit because you're very, very disciplined.
There is another question. There is a myth that people say that do not close your oldest credit card. It affects your credit rating or credit cycle period. What is that?
बेटे बोल दिया मैंने, bullshit.
अच्छा, okay. Thank you, sir.
यहाँ तो मैं कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, मेरा प्लेटफॉर्म है तो, और आप मेरे बच्चे हो. ये सब झूठ बोलते हैं लोग. बार बार क्रेडिट स्कोर देखने से क्रेडिट कार्ड कम होते हैं. व्हाट नॉनसेंस यार, राइट? यू कैन क्लोज एनी टाइम बेटे, कोई अफेक्ट नहीं होता है वो.
Okay.
गनी ने क्या बोला वो नोट कर लीजिए सब लोग. एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस, कमेंट्स?
Yeah, here is Mr. George.
अरे बाप रे, जॉर्ज सर. ओके. George sir is the owner of Novelty Textiles. If it is EP George sir.
Hello, Anil sir.
Yes sir.
Good morning.
Hello sir.
I want to share the experience which I had got from your class in GMFA, the Global Honor Management Program in Cochin. Due to attending the finance class, after attending the finance class, I able to negotiate with the bank, and we got a very good rate with the bank, which we were paying around 1% is reduced to substantially. Hello, Anil sir.
Yes sir. So sir, when you speak, we all listen. So class, this is that case I'm talking about. This is the record that in my 25 years of career, somebody has got a loan on FDs at such a low interest rate. Okay. This is the person I was referring to, right? And please note,
whatever the amount which is invested on the class is recovered in that class only. So thank you, Anil sir. Thank you, the SP Jain, for the wholehearted support for our organization. And that is the one thing. And regarding the credit card, we had an experience regarding the Citibank. So only for the around less than 2,000 rupees, the credit score is got very below, since because that was only the credit card at the time we were holding. That was only the loan which we were holding. So that is the experience regarding the defaulting the credit card payment. So it is very, nowadays it is very relevant that the credit card we should settle, and otherwise it will affect our score and it will affect the business also.
so class, the inspiration for today's personal finance class came from George sir. I'll share the secret with you. He said, you talked about mutual funds, you talked about this. Why are you not talking about credit cards? And Paul Moon, his son, who is the owner of, or rather, who is a team lead of Brand Vismay, our first sponsor. George sir said, please do a session on credit cards. So please note, extremely important. Again and again, I repeat one more time. Thank you very much, sir, for your encouraging words coming from a respected person like you. Please do not fall into a debt trap. If you have a problem, write to me. I will connect you. Whatever little I can do, I'll connect you. Whether it be Chennai or Timbuktu, I think I can help you because of FMB students. As simple as that. Today, one Vaibhav Jain helped somebody in Guwahati. So I have somebody in Cochin who is my security guard. His father is sick in Guwahati. I wrote to Vaibhav Jain saying, can you take care? Yesterday, I wrote to him. Today morning, Vaibhav has WhatsApped me saying, sir, we have taken care. Prescription is also given. That is the power of family managed business. So anybody in a debt trap, you are in truck, please write to me. We will help you out. Thank you, respected George sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Anybody else?
Here we have Mr. Rohan.
Yes.
Sorry, I got disconnected earlier, sir.
No problem, Ray.
And thank you. I wanted to thank you first for doing this. I'm a friend of one of your ex-students in SPGen, and I'm very thankful to him and you for doing this. Now, I wanted to ask this question on these credit card reward points. Are they a part of your income tax?
No. They are not a part of your income tax. Don't worry at all. And there was a joke. So Rohan, did I answer your question? Are they a part of your reward point? The answer is
there is one more thing related to this after this. So if I have I'm in a travel business.
Can I crack a joke here before?
Yeah, please go ahead.
So I have this habit of forgetting. Abhishek, George sir, there is a joke, right? Just a joke, please. The joke is, luckily, Prime Minister Modi did not include reward points in the stimulus package. So there was a WhatsApp going around saying that, should we include reward points in the stimulus package? So it looks like it is not 10% of GDP, it is 12% of GDP. Please refer, I don't know, we have to upload I did a special class on stimulus package for SPJ and I will upload it. So answer to that is reward points is not a part of income tax. And that joke of stimulus package was an actual joke because stimulus is a myth, right? But why the government could not give the stimulus package? Come to the Monday's class, we'll continue the economics discussion. Rohan bete boliye abhi.
So now, in conjunction to the question that I already raised with you, thank you for that answer. Now, I am a travel professional, sir. I have a travel company running for the past 40 years. Now, obviously, because of the obvious reasons we are facing the challenge we are. Now, I have over the years accumulated a lot of reward points. So what I wanted to know here was, is it possible to use these reward points in conducting a new business that I have in mind?
It depends, bete. It depends. So I can't give you a blanket answer. The answer is it depends. Definitely you can use it, but वो कौन सा कार्ड है, क्या reward points है, वो मेरे को जरा बताना पड़ेगा. रोहन,
what I will do is, sir, I will mail you something separately whenever you have time. You can answer.
सुनना रे, इंस्टा में डाल रहे, मैं मेरा नंबर देगा, तू व्हाट्सएप डालेगा, मैं कोई क्रेडिट कार्ड से बात करेगा, हेड ऑफ क्रेडिट कार्ड से, फिर तेरे को पहचान करा देगा. बात सिंपल है. That is humanity. अभी मैं ये क्यों कर रहा है मुझे पता नहीं, तेरा फायदा होगा तो डोनेट टू हंगर मूवमेंट. सिंपल. तो इंस्टा में डाल, वहाँ पे मैं I will connect you to somebody and then go ahead. My hunch is yes, but there has to be some terms and conditions. But better you can do it, so you should try it. You should definitely try it.
Great. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
अरे मजा आ गया. चलो, next person.
Yeah, we have Mr. Vineet. Mr. Vineet, you can speak now.
Sir, Dr. Anil, sir, thank you very much for foremost.
Hey, Vineet, तू कहाँ से है रे?
चेन्नई, sir.
हाँ, बस शांति भाई, चेन्नई से बच्चा आ गया.
Okay, sir.
I knew he was from Chennai. That's why I asked him. बस, that is what I told you, the power of FMB. Vineet, थोड़ा help लगेगा शांति मैम के लिए.
Sure, sir. Sure, definitely.
चल, बोल.
I would like to first thank you very much for all these things you have been doing, and I've been associated and privileged to watch your videos and be a part of the webinars from Hartech platform and your personal front as well. Really, thank you for that. Number one.
Thank you, बेटे. ए बेटे मेरा personal कुछ नहीं है, sponsors है. विस्मय, Speedo, स्पंदन, ये लोग sponsors है. तो मेरा
but you are taking out your personal time, no sir? That's more important.
Thank you.
The thing is, which I would like to share with everyone is, we also faced the same issue of ABN AMRO Bank, which you had shared. For my father's name, we had applied a card in the year 2001, wherein the company told us there won't be any joining fees. And later they gave a bill with the joining fees of mere 450 or 500 rupees. So we didn't pay that amount just for the sake that they have given us the wrong commitment and the wrong fees. And that has affected my father's CIBIL score over the years. And last year when we had applied for another card, though we had a Burgundy account with Axis Bank, still, as you said, that the account and the income won't matter in the CIBIL score. So that 650 rupees has caused a rejection of our Axis Bank Select card. And then later we had to pay that amount, which became 3,000 rupees over the period of 15 years and settle the issue. Just wanted to just update you regarding this as well.
Thank you, Vineet, bete. So thank you very much. When somebody says no joining fee, please read the terms and conditions. Please read the terms and conditions. Vineet, I'm so obliged to you, bete. तो आके सबको बता रहे with personal example. उससे ज़्यादा क्या कर सकते हैं आप? Beautiful. God bless you, बच्चे. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Anybody else?
No more in the raised hands. We have question and Q&A session.
Okay. Abhay, Mone, you have to share that Excel sheet. There are a lot of students, so we will share it. I'll tell you a way to share it. Cheryl and others would like to have it. Syscom. So, boliye na, ma'am, please go ahead. So
yeah, there is a question. There is a question, sir. Supplementary card holder can affect card primary holder's credit score or what?
No, primary card ka this thing it will come into your main payment. So if it comes into your main payment, right? If it comes into your main payment, you pay on time. There's no problem. My add-on is with my father. He uses it. I pay on time. There's no problem. There's no problem. Problem comes when you default in the payment. So there is no as a add-on card. किसी को भी आप दे सकते हो. No problem. Incidentally, my dad is more careful than me in using this card. And you know what he does? He uses it only when he fills fuel. These are the generation you should learn from. George sir, my father. He uses it only when it fills petrol because he knows reward points are good there. So answer to your question, beta, kuch nahi hota hai. Except that you should not roll over debt. You should not roll over debt. And use it wherever you get reward points. That is the most important thing. One last thing. Take a credit card which gives you good benefits, but pay on time. Please pay on time. Ma'am, done?
Yeah, there is some more questions on Q&A session, sir. Some more questions there.
ए भाई मैं 2 क्वेश्चन और लूंगा बस, तुम्हें पूरा वसूल कर रहा है मुझे अभी. I understand. High CIBIL score can be used to negotiate on personal loan. Yes, and very soon on personal home loan also. Currently on personal loan, yes. Very soon on home loan also. Home loan, I've got a student who got it at 6.5%. Sandeep Kankeria from Pune. So anybody who's got a home loan at more than 6.5%, please write with me. I'll connect you to Sandeep. He has got a loan from Bank of Baroda at 6.5%. प्रेम का मैंने आंसर किया, रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट्स का किया. आई थिंक आई हैव आंसर्ड एवरीबॉडी. ओवन को मैंने बोला इट डजंट अफेक्ट, मैंने अच्छा एग्जांपल दिया 10 का मार्क लिस्ट. आई थिंक आई हैव आंसर्ड एवरीबॉडी. सिविल इज ए गवर्नमेंट और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, हाउ डज इट मैटर यार? क्या है, वापस चल हो गया था डेस्परेट क्लास पार्टिसिपेशन, मार्क पड़ेगा तेरे. इट इज बेसिकली an organization which tracks your credit score, right? So government don't, I think some shareholding, but there's nothing good as data privacy. In India, we think a lot about data privacy. Right? I still don't know how. Gunny will laugh at this. We go to a mall, they say free gift, give the details. We give all the details. And then we say, why God, there should be data privacy. First of all, we share everything and then we complain about data privacy also. I think CIBIL is owned by the government. There is some shareholding, but I really don't care because whatever information they have, I'm sure they're using it safely. And anyway, most of us give information very regularly. आपने जब ये webinar के register किया, you give me some data. You didn't realize that. अभी मैं जब भी articles लिखूंगा, I want to mail to you all. That is why I captured your data. अभी नहीं लिखूंगा, अभी थक गया मैं. But very soon, once the webinar stops, I'll start writing articles and then I'll convert that to a book. That is my dream. Anything else, ma'am? Done?
So we have more questions in Q&A. Shall I read it for you?
Yeah, ma'am, 2 questions I'll take, then I'll stop. Because unless I stop, these colleagues will not leave and some of them are getting late for lunch. 2 questions. Take any 2 questions at random and we'll stop. बाकी लोग WhatsApp में करो यार, या next class पे पूछो. Monday है ना, कल ही है ना, 7:30. Very fast, ma'am. 2 questions, please.
Yeah, there is a question from Mr. Rohan again. I think at times I have heard people saying if you grade your CIBIL score, checked, it gets affected adversely.
Ma'am, I answered this, no, ma'am. So the answer is
it's
no.
already answered, I guess.
Yeah, no. बच्चे ने पूछा आके. No, it's all humbug. Nonsense people are saying. Checking your CIBIL score will not affect your CIBIL score. Next question, last question, ma'am.
So when anyone checks your credit score, it goes lower. ESP banks.
No word. No.
By Mr.
Right?
Predi.
No. Whenever you apply for a loan, then your credit score gets affected. When the loan is rejected, then it gets affected even more. Ma'am, this is a repetitive question, so I'll take one last question because this question I didn't get a new question. One last new question.
So there is one last question from Mr. Chetan. So if I understand it right, high CIBIL score can be used to negotiate on personal loan, but not on home loan, right?
Yeah. So now you can even use it for personal loans. Very soon on home loans. I again repeat, if you are on a home loan, sir, please talk to your clients and tell everybody if you're a home loan where you're paying more than 7%, you should shift to Bank of Baroda. It looks like Bank of Baroda is giving a loan at 6.5%. Okay. So if you are having a rate, great. I don't know how he has done it, Sandeep. I'll connect you. You talk to him. Right. If you have a loan where you're paying more than 7%, you have to do a loan swap. And in a loan swap, housing loan, you don't have to pay a prepayment penalty. That's an RBI guideline. So you can easily save that 1%. So that brings me to the end of today's discussion. There also I gave you something to save. Thank you very much, each one of you all, for devoting your time. We meet tomorrow with economics. We will talk about inflation, monetary policy, corporate finance, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Thank you very, very much. Thank you, Shanti ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye, everybody.
Bye, sir.